Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how you can use referral code in HungerStation. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So for this, all you need to do is simply tap open your HungerStation app, and once you open it, you need to now select your location. Once you enable your location, you need to get signed up or logged in into your account, and for this you need to type in your mobile phone number. So to use your referral code on HungerStation, when creating a new account, you need to look for a designated field to enter the code during the sign up process. Usually it will clearly be labeled as referral code or similar to it, or you can simply paste your referral code. Otherwise, you can simply open your HungerStation app and then you can go in the More section where you can find an option called Referral Code. There you can simply paste your code and you are all done by using your referral code on HungerStation. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching.